Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. I've dumped about 30 to 40 hours into the SKATER XL Early Access and I was super keen for SKATER XL 1.0. Here's why.
Still got it, boy! Good boy.
Anyways, I've been skating for like 25 years or so I've been doing this probably longer than anything else in my life. Anyways, with the game coming out, I took a look at the minimum system requirements and the recommended system requirements, and I thought, they're both pretty boring. Let's build something completely ridiculous to play SKATER XL in at 4K, and that's exactly what I did. I wanted it to be clean, I wanted it to be completely overkill, there's no budget, I don't care, I just want to play SKATER XL at 4K, so that's what I did. Let's do it. Okay, there's a few caveats to this video. Obviously we use parts that we have on hand. I kind of wish I had a white GPU for this build, and this is not a permanent system. I just wanted to build something to commemorate SKATER XL because I'm super excited about it, and I've been playing the 1.0 version like a lot since it came out, and obviously like that early access I've been playing it since 2018 basically, so yeah. 30 or 40 hours is probably on the conservative side, it's probably closer to 100 or something stupid like that. Anyway, let's build it. All right, ladies and gents, what I decided to do, and it was actually kind of Claire's idea as well, is I'm gonna try and recreate the tricks that I did in the intro of this video in SKATER XL. I just wanted to point out that this video is not sponsored by Easy Day Studios or SKATER XL. I just really like the game and I love skateboarding, so it's like the perfect game for me. And remember, if you do want to play SKATER XL, you're gonna need a controller. There's no way around it, you just need to use a controller. But yeah, let's see if we can get some of those tricks that I showed in the intro in the video. All right, I'll show you guys that we're running at 4K. We'll just go settings, graphics settings, 4K Ultra. VSync is on for some reason, which is stupid, shouldn't be on. Anyway, we get about 160 to 170 frames per second at 4K, which is completely bonkers. But I want to start off with doing the backlip, the clip where I did like a backlip. It's like a kick at a backlip. Let's try that. I found like a spot on the high school level. So let's see if we can do this. Here we go. First try. Pretty easy, right? Next trick I'll try is the backside 180, the street gap, like the sidewalk gap. It was the first clip, and we're playing on the LA downtown map. Now, it doesn't look hard on the game, but in real life, it's a lot harder. It's a video game, remember, it's not quite real. But anyway, let's give it a go. First try. Not too bad, right? Next one, we're going to try and do a pop shove down a 4-block. This one's Wallenberg. I could never do this in real life, but we'll give it a go in the game. It shouldn't be too hard. See if we can do it first go again. First try. We'll go for the back nose grind now. It's actually pretty easy. You should be able to do this one first try as well. First try. All right, try back 5-0, down a hubba. This might be a bit harder in the game because it's like a weird angle. First try again. You can tell I've played this too much. Let's go for the 5-0, that's across and down the box. This one's gonna be way harder. I'm definitely not gonna be able to do this one first go, but let's see what happens. See how long it takes. Nah, let's see, go again. Second try, that's actually not that bad. A lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. This one should be pretty easy. We'll do the backside 50-50, shove it out. Shouldn't be too hard. First try. This last trick I did a couple times over a different few years in the video. This is a kind of hard trick in this game, so I'm gonna try and do it and we'll see what happens. I haven't done it before, but we'll try and do one. This is hard. Why won't you pop back in? Okay, here we go, ladies and gents. Here's the one. Ah, come on. It's so frustrating. Let's go from somewhere else. 20 minutes later, I still haven't landed it. We're gonna land it. I finally did it. Took me half an hour, but it was pretty sketchy, but I'll show you because I just landed it. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you guys enjoyed this super duper clean build. I really like the look of this. Now the part selection's a bit of an odd one. I literally wanted to make it as white as possible with like white components. So what I decided to do was basically pick out every white component we had. So obviously I went with the B550 Vision D from Gigabyte. It's their new like whitish style content creator motherboard. For RAM, I went with 32 gigs of the brand new Corsair Dominator Platinum White at 3600 megahertz. CPU is the Ryzen 9 3950X because why not? I went with the Gigabyte 2080 Ti Gaming OC for the GPU because why not? For the power supply, I went with something brand new. It's the V650 V2 Gold in white from Cooler Master. They're not out in Australia yet. This is a very early sample of this power supply. So yeah, I wanted it to suit this case. So yeah, and obviously TD500 mesh because we helped design it and it's like the perfect case for a gaming PC. And also if you want to check out the M-Wave PC that we did with M-Wave, there's a link up there that also uses the TD500 mesh. For the cooler, we use the Deepcool Castle EX360 in white. And yeah, for fans, we went with the Corsair QL120s with the white color scheme. Now, when I do like builds with Corsair fans, I usually adapt all of the other stuff to use iCUE. So I actually have a custom cable that converts regular addressable RGB to plug into a Commander Pro or a Lighting Node Pro as well. So yeah, everything's controlled in iCUE in this build, which is very nice. But that's basically it. I don't want to like waste too much of your time with this build. I just wanted to do it because I'm excited for the game and I wanted to basically max the game out at 4K just to have a bit of a play around. It's nothing too serious. I think it's a nice way for us to end the week. And also, we haven't done like any super white PC builds on the channel, and I thought it'd be nice to do that. But this is just a warm up because I've got an even crazier white build coming that's gonna be custom water cooled with Corsair Hydro X as well. I'm gonna probably be building that over the next few days with some of the components like the RAM and maybe the GPU, I don't know yet. Don't quote me, but it's gonna be really cool. So stick around for that and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you like the video, smash the like button. If you hated the video, hit the dislike button twice. I make all the music if you're wondering about all that stuff. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peak, we seek. And yeah, I wanted to keep this nice and simple today. I didn't want to confuse your brains with the million benchmarks and all that stuff. I just wanted to build a PC because I love building PCs and I want to inspire you guys, and that's basically why I do it. Anyway, Claire, have you got a skateboard for me? I'm gonna go skateboarding. Give me a skateboard. I'm going skateboarding. Give me a skateboard. I need to get one. Give me a board, man.
You told me this before we...
What do you mean? I need to go. I'm going skateboarding. See you guys later.